Everyone, let's dismantle a word that has been used to judge, pressure, and box every single one of us since the day we were born. That word I'm referring to today is normal. If you look it up in a dictionary, normal is a scientific term. It just describes something that confirms or conforms to a standard or regular pattern or statistical average. It's a great word if you're actually manufacturing car parts or testing a computer system because you want those systems to be identical, obviously. But when it comes to real human beings, I've came to realize that the word normal actually means nothing. Yet, we allow this empty word to dictate how we dress, how we talk, what careers we chase, what sports we love, how we spend our weekends. We spend our entire lives terrified of being different, running ourselves ragged, just trying to fit into the default mold created by strangers. Now, I want to give you a perfect example of how ridiculous this pattern really is. I'm a grown man living in South Africa, and if you know anything about the culture here, you know that rugby isn't just a sport, it's practically a religion. It's it's the default setting for what a normal man is supposed to love. But here's the truth. I did play rugby during my school years. I think I did quite well. But ever since I left school about 20 years ago, I don't really follow it anymore. I don't watch it. It just doesn't interest me anymore. And you would not believe the reactions I get when that comes up in a conversation with other men. People look at me as if I've just confessed a crime. They say, how is that even possible? It's not normal for a guy like you not to care about the game. Guys, think about how crazy that logic is. Because a specific statistical geographic location enjoy a specific sport, suddenly my worth, my identity, my manhood or fatherhood is questioned because I don't fit the exact pattern. That is the trap of normal. It tries to convince you that if you don't share the exact appetite as the crowd, there's something broken inside of you. But when you break it down, normal is just pure pressure from dead generations. It's invincible, it's an invincible fence built by society to keep people predictable and easy to manage and able to manipulate. Think about the corporate world. We are told that the normal path is to sit in a cubicle, climb the ladder, stay quiet, and fit into the corporate culture puzzle perfectly. Let's look at parenting, for example. We are told there is a normal way our families are supposed to look from the outside. Now, I just want to make this clear. Don't confuse normal with ethical. There's a big difference. Okay. But when you fight so hard to be normal, do you know what you actually end up becoming? You actually end up becoming boring. You become a limitation. Why? Because you end up trading your unique, God given personality, your real passion, your genuine voice, just to make sure the people around you don't feel uncomfortable. We sometimes wear a mask that suffocates our souls just so that we can fit into this pattern that somebody else invented. It's a massive price to pay for a word that means absolutely nothing. My message today is simple. Stop trying to be normal and start trying to be authentic. If you are a guy who prefers art over sports, own it. Don't be ashamed of it. If you are a professional who loves their 9 to 5, but you also want to build a project on the sideline, go for it. Own it. It's yours. If your family operates differently from the house next door, stop apologizing for it. Your life is not a manufacturing line, and you were never meant to be a standardized part. Teach your children to respect their own uniqueness. Show them that the goal of life isn't to blend into the background noise of the crowd, but to stand firm in who they truly are. The most interesting, impactful, and memorable people in history were never normal. They were the ones brave enough to break the pattern. Thanks for thanks for sitting with me inside today. I really appreciate it, and I wanted to get this off my chest. As always, let's keep it real. Let's keep it authentic, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Lekker bly, guys. Cheers.